unfortunately, it's not very happy for us because Project Zorgo is out all night tonight trying to figure out which house is the safe house.
They're going trick-or-treating. They're gonna go to every house in Las Vegas until they find us, the Spy Ninjas, because they heard that we answer our door to hand out all this candy to trick-or-treaters.
But they're not just any candy. They're full size, you guys.
Oh yeah, we go big,
We're
you
the
know?
good house. Just gotta make sure we're in really good disguises, okay? In case Project Zorgo shows up, they won't know it's us.
Whoever comes to the door, I'm gonna be Black Panther. You're gonna be Penguin? No one will recognize you as Qwaint.
All right, let's put this pumpkin outside and let the festivities begin.
All right. Oh, it's our first trick-or-treater, you guys.
Oh, don't get too excited. It might be a Project Zorgo member looking for a safe house, so be prepared. Have your masks on. Do not let them know who it is. Okay, you ready, Daniel? Oh,
yeah. Okay, let's do it.
We're coming.
Trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something good to eat. If you don't, I don't care.
Oh, hey, stay right there. We'll get the candy. We'll be right back. Stay there. Do you think that is a hacker right there, or is that a kid? Leave a comment down below right now. Type in Hulk hacker or Hulk kid. Okay, we'll just let him pick what he wants. All right, we've got some big candy bars. Go ahead and take one.
Full-size candy bars? You guys are cheapskates.
What?
Cheapskate?
No, we aren't.
What? Hey.
I expect king size.
King size? I mean, these are full-size bars. These are big.
I'm taking 2 to make it king size.
Hey.
No! Hey! You only get one, man. Oh, man. Did you hear that? He was complaining that these were full-size bars, not king-size bars.
What a brat! And he took 2.
I mean, who complains about free candy?
I know.
Hey! Daniel! What? You jumped into V's arms?
Scary.
Daniel, get out from V.
Project Zorgo's gonna come any minute and the lights turn off.
Is Project Zorgo hacking our house? Do they already know where we live? Oh my gosh, we went off again.
I'm gonna get my flashlight.
Turn your flashlight. There we go.
What?
Nothing's happening.
Nothing's happening.
Nothing. Well.
What?
Did you hear that?
Is somebody inside here? Maybe Project Zorgo found the safe house already?
Was that Hulk, that little Hulk person, was that a Project Zorgo member? And he already leaked our location? Okay, guys, we better go investigate the bathroom. That's where the noise came from.
You go first, Chad.
V, you go first. You're the brave spy ninja, V. Get in there, Daniel. I'm coming.
Oh no!
Oh, you're caught. Someone's got you, V. Someone's got you.
I got you. Somebody could be in there.
This costume is a hazard.
Okay, guys, ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa!
What is that? Who did this?
Oh my gosh, guys. I have no idea who hung this up here.
What the heck?
Daniel, here, take the camera.
Who hung that there? What the heck?
I can't reach that high. Did you hang it up, Daniel?
No.
What about Chad? He's tall enough. Did he hang it?
Chad, did you hang it, man? Wait, what?
Chad?
Chad?
Hello? What?
He's Chad's calling.
Wait, what? He's just outside, probably. Chad?
Chad? Somebody took Chad, maybe? The little kid couldn't have taken him.
No way.
He's too little. Maybe somebody else is in here, even bigger and stronger than Chad.
Wait, shh. Did you just hear that noise, Daniel?
Coming from over there, I think. Fingers crossed, there's nothing there, and we're just hearing things.
Yeah.
Chad, I ain't playing, dog. Come out.
Daniel.
What?
It's coming from this room. The secret room.
Hello?
Looks good, Daniel. Come on.
Hey, Chad.
Are you in here?
Maybe somebody's in here. Well, you know what they say? If your power turns off on Halloween night... Oh! Shh! Did you hear that?
Oh my gosh.
Something banged on the window. Like I was saying, if the power goes out on Halloween night, it means there's a ghost, and he's living in the vents.
Ghosts are friendly, Daniel. You know, like Casper, the friendly ghost. There's no ghost.
Okay.
They're not living in vents.
Let's just keep...
Let's just get out of here.
Get out of here! Go!
What was that?
What?
Daniel, why did you slam the door so loud?
I didn't close it.
What do you mean?
I don't know, the wind or something, or a ghost! A ghost!
Wait, shh.
What?
Did you hear that?
Huh?
You heard that? It was like a... What is that?
What is that, V?
It's a tapping noise of some kind.
Somebody's outside.
Outside the window. It's getting louder, Daniel.
Whoa, let's just get out of here, V. V, let's get out of here.
Wait, I have to know what it is. I'm getting closer to it.
V, what are you doing?
to the Chad Wild Play Halloween prank. Woo! It's the best time to prank all my friends.
Chad, what is wrong with you, man?
Oh, what is fun with me, you mean?
This whole time we're trying to make Project Zorgo not come here, and you just run away like that and leave us?
I can't let Project Zorgo ruin Halloween, though. Gotta still have fun. I better close the window, though, just in case they're looking. Oh, doorbell.
Oh.
Trick-or-treaters, trick-or-treaters, trick-or-treaters. Before we answer the door, let's turn the lights on. There we go.
Chad, what the heck?
How'd you do that?
I turned the whole house off for my prank.
Wait. Put on your mask.
Oh, yes. Just in case it's Project Zorgo.
Yeah. Wait. Hold on. You know the camera security system? Let's just check to make sure it's the
Yeah,
hacker.
you can check on your phone, the camera.
A little lower.
Oh my gosh, V.
Is that a hacker?
It's a hacker, it's a hacker.
If it is really a hacker, I feel like we should prank him, you know, like what you did, and really use the trick in trick-or-treating.
Ooh, okay, what's your big idea, V?
Hold on.
V, where are you going? What'd you do?
Get this. Okay, look at
What
this.
is it?
Carrots, broccoli, just pure organic vegetables.
Oh, it's gross.
Daniel, these are delicious. Carrots are really good for your eyes.
But yeah, I think most kids will probably hate this because they'd probably rather have candy on Halloween.
Yeah, but that's a good thing, right? Because then if that's really a real hacker, he's gonna tell all his hacker friends that this is house, don't go. They're gonna give out vegetables.
And you know what? I don't feel good just giving a hacker free stuff. We gotta make him work for it. Let's make him do some push-ups.
Hello.
Trick or treat.
I see we've got a trick-or-treater here, huh? I've got some real nice candy for you, hacker.
Yeah, but you know what? You're gonna have to work for it.
You gotta do the trick part of the treat part.
Yeah, so drop in, give me 20.
Yeah, you gotta earn your candy.
Just do it. 1, 2, 19,
Okay.
20.
Hey, way to go. You have earned yourself some of our very special candy. Go ahead and open that bag up. I got the special treat for you right here. Take a peek.
Vegetables? I don't like vegetables.
You don't like these?
I want my candy now. I did the trick. I want my tweet now. You guys are mean. Daddy.
Let's go to the next house. Better candy next door.
Oh no, I'm
Wait,
sorry.
Was that a real kid?
That was the person's dad? Wait a minute, that wasn't a real hacker?
Oh my god, let's go inside, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, that wasn't a hacker at all. That was just some kid pretending to be a hacker. I feel so bad.
Oh my gosh, I made him do push-ups?
Oh,
You fed him a bunch of, like, celery?
Okay, now we know that if anybody comes to the house as a hacker, it's probably not Project Zorgo. Why would Project Zorgo be themselves on Halloween, right?
Dumb.
If any of you at home are dressing up as hacker this year,
That's really cool, actually.
Yeah.
That means you're a Spy Ninja fan. You're going undercover as Project Zorgo. That is totally cool.
oh!
Okay, man, flashlight. Let's go to the breakers. That's how I turned the lights off last time. Let's just check the breakers outside, okay?
You better not be up to anything, Chad.
Dude, I promise. Here's the breakers. If any of them are switched to the right, that means off. These are all switched to the left. They're all left. How are the lights off? All the breakers are turned on right now. That's how I turned the lights off in the whole house, was I flipped the breaker switch.
Okay, so you're not pranking us
No,
then.
guys, I promise I'm not pranking you guys right now.
Well, then who's doing it then?
Okay, guys, let's just go back into the house. Maybe there's some other problem inside. Let's go check it out. What the heck?
What are you doing?
Why is the door locked?
It's locked?
What the heck?
Chad?
What the heck, guys? You guys are pranking me now. I know it.
No.
What are you talking about?
You're paying me back for when I pranked you.
What? No, we don't do that, Chad.
Yeah.
Me and
No.
Daniel are sophisticated spy ninjas. Right, Daniel?
Yeah, we don't play around like that. No tomfoolery.
See that?
What?
What? I don't see anything.
Look at Regina's door. It's closed. I thought her door was left open. I didn't close her door. Did you guys close her door?
No. We were so scared there's no time to close the door.
Well, I didn't close this door too when we ran out of here.
The heck?
You guys are pranking me. I
Don't.
know it. You're getting back at me. Happy Halloween, right?
No, this is serious, Chad. Remember? I always get this weird feelings when something is very uneasy and just something's wrong. When the hair in the back of my neck start tinkling, it's happening right now.
Well, what the heck, guys? How do we get back inside the house then? V,
Wait.
you're the lockpicking expert.
That's right, I am. I got my lockpicking kit in my flipper, whatever these are called.
You keep a lockpick kit in your flapper?
This is where I keep my phone too. They fit in here.
Whoa!
that's
I want
pretty-
some flappers.
That's handy dandy. You should never pick other people's locks, but to get into your own house, it's good to pick your own lock, right?
Yeah, it saves money.
Jiggle, jiggle. Give it a
Gotta
little
use
jiggle,
two.
give it a little wiggle, and a little tickle, tickle. I heard it. I heard something.
Yes. Try it.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Okay.
Good job, V. That was amazing.
Okay, let's go.
Wait a second. Obviously, somebody locked us out of the house. That means that someone's inside the house. Get ready to battle.
Okay.
Okay, it's just the doorbell. Okay, guys.
Okay, secure. Oh.
Whoa, Daniel, flashlight back on.
Security camera.
Check the doorbell camera.
Okay.
Who's that?
Wolverine and.
Yeah, Spartan?
Yeah, look a little old to be trick-or-treat.
They're saying something.
You know, I'm not a big fan of a lot of the US candies. I think they're a little too sweet.
Well, what are you going trick-or-treating for then?
He said he doesn't even like candy.
Well, that's suspicious.
That is kind of
Why is he
weird.
trick-or-treating then?
Yeah.
Well, you know they say, when in Rome, do as the Romans.
But this is Las Vegas.
My costume is from Sparta.
But this is Las Vegas.
That guy has a crazy voice.
It's really high pitched. Sounds like he really wants some candy, that Wolverine guy.
Yeah.
Should we open the door then, you think? Did they pass the suspicion test?
You know these residents are taking a long time.
They sure are. I gotta show them my cool costume.
Yes, my patience is dwindling, and I am cold.
Well, let's ring the bell again. Maybe they didn't hear the first time. That ought to do it.
Oh, Wolverine's hungry for some Milky Way or something.
Jeez, calm down.
All right, let's just give him some candy and maybe they'll go away, okay?
Okay. Just don't act like a spy ninja.
Yeah, just in case they're hackers.
Hello, trick-or-treaters.
Trick or treat.
Aren't you guys a little bit old for trick-or-treating?
No? Aren't you a little old to be judging people for their Halloween activities?
Yeah, that's ageism.
You're right, sorry about that. What do we got here? What are you, you know?
I'm a Spartan,
Spartan.
a fierce warrior.
Do you like the movie 300?
It was fantastic, but it's not as stellar as its sequel, 301.
Interesting.
And what do we have over here? Wolverine?
Well, yeah. You know.
What happened to your claw there, Wolverine?
Well, I lost the other one when I was trying to get candy, so I found this one, and I guess it works. Just watch out. I can still do a lot of damage with this one.
Okay, I buy it.
You guys want some candy or?
I thought that was the whole part of trick or treat. Where's my treat? Give me something good to eat.
With your accent, I think you would enjoy a Three Musketeers.
Yes.
You kind of sound like a musketeer. Well, you know what Wolverine likes? Being a fellow Marvel superhero myself.
True.
I know exactly what Wolverine likes. Snickers.
Oh yeah, I really do like Snickers. Well, thank you.
Alright, we'll get out of here.
Okay, good meeting you guys. We're gonna go back inside now.
Happy holiday.
Bye-bye.
Don't come again.
Enjoy the night.
Happy Halloween.
See you later.
Bye-bye.
Dang, they're not leaving. Let's check the doorbell camera.
Wait a minute, have you seen this house before? Does it look like the Spy Ninja's house?
This is Spy Ninjas.
Oh my gosh.
What's a bold statement? You might be onto something.
It's definitely them. Those are hackers.
They're asking, does this seem like the Spy Ninjas house? So they're not 100% sure.
Oh my gosh.
They could be fans, right?
Maybe.
I don't know, I think I've seen it before. It might be the safe house.
From all the videos they have posted, I'm quite familiar with the backyard.
The backyard.
Oh no, if they watch any of our videos, they'll know.
They'll recognize the swimming pool.
And the two palm trees and everything.
Well, let's go check it out.
Let's go.
All right.
Oh my gosh. We gotta get back to the backyard,
I'm
guys.
gonna hop the fence. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Okay.
They're trying to break into this
Oh
gate.
no.
They're trying to break in. I got a plan, guys. They suspect that we're the Spy Ninjas, right? Let's just. Whoa.
Oh my god.
Let's just pretend we're other YouTubers.
Yeah.
And like they'll be like, oh, this isn't the Spy Ninjas. It's the wrong YouTubers.
Yeah. With Lucas and Marcus or something.
Yeah, Daniel, you'll be Marcus and I'll be Lucas.
Yeah, I'm the girlfriend.
Ivanita, they do like pranks sometimes, right?
Yeah, all the time.
We'll prank them with these eggs.
Yes.
Where those come from?
I'm Penguin, man. We all got eggs.
Get into Lucas mode or Daniel mode or whatever mode.
Okay. I'm disguised.
Oh, yes, it's you again.
Oh, hello.
Hey, welcome. We figured out why you're hanging out so much here. We figured it out.
What? Yeah.
You're big fans of certain YouTubers.
Yes, Marcus. That's you.
Lucas and Marcus, right here.
Yeah.
See?
Check it out.
It's us, Lucas and Marcus.
Yeah.
And my girlfriend, Ivanita.
I'm not sure I'm dating Marcus or Lucas.
Do you know them?
No, this is quite fishy.
I think so too.
You guys want our signature or something? I know you must be a big fan if you're still hanging out trying to break in. So
No signature.
we're known for our really funny pranks, you know?
Okay, I got some eggs, Marcus.
You know, in the spirit of Halloween, Lucas and Marcus, me and Marcus here, we want to wish you a happy Halloween. Ivanita.
Yes, Marcus. Lucas.
Let's wish them a happy Halloween in 3, 2, 1.
Absolutely disgusting.
All over my new costume.
The Spy Ninjas would never resort to such shenanigans.
It seemed quite juvenile.
Enjoy cleaning up the mess you've created for yourself.
I could have made some scrambled eggs with that. Let's get out of here.
Good job, Ivanita.
They totally believed that we were Lucas and Marcus and Ivanita.
That worked so well. Let's get back inside, you guys. Okay.
Well, the lights are back on.
Whoa.
Whoa, how'd that happen?
What the heck?
Well, that was Project Zorgo. They came to our house, they left. I think we're good.
Well, let's show the neighborhood that we're done for the night.
Look, all of our candy's gone. Bring the pumpkin back inside.
You turn off the pumpkin. There you go.
Call it a night.
Yeah.
All right, sounds good. You know what? I'm gonna make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Make me one too.
All right.
Can you have bananas in mine?
Yes. You
I'll
take the camera.
You make the sandwich.
Whoa. Doorbell's ringing like crazy.
Oh.
Better put on my mask though, just in case. But I'll tell them we're out of candy, okay?
Yeah. Chad, who is it?
You again?
Hey, I want more candy.
I already gave you 2 pieces of candy.
But I want more.
Sorry, kid. We're all out of candy. We're done for the night.
But you're making me angry. You don't want to make Hulk angry.
We don't want to make the Hulk angry now, do we, my friend?
Oh, no. We don't want to make you angry.
Daniel,
What
kid
the
wants
heck
more
is going
candy.
on
We're
here?
out of candy.
I
He
need
wants more
candy.
candy.
Hulk need candy.
I mean, I got a peanut butter and jelly sandwich here.
Okay.
Would that make you happy?
Just take it, kid. Just take whatever you can get.
Happy Halloween.
Okay, kid, you happy now? Are you happy? We gave you your peanut butter sandwich.
Yes.
You should be good, right?
Hulk angry. Hulk smash.
Ah, kid!
What the heck?
Oh, Daniel,
I can't see.
Freaked you. Hanzo, look what I did.
Haha, trick or treat. Wait a minute. This looks familiar.